Good day and welcome to all the Form 5 students. As I promised in the previous video, we meet again today to discuss on some of the questions which we normally do based on the poem What Has Happened to Lulu. And as a bonus feature, I also will be discussing some of the hot questions which we normally do based on the poem. And I know today is Saturday and I'm the last person that you wish to see for today. But a man got to do what he's got to do. Without further ado, let's move on to the question. As you can see on my right, I have given you a couple of questions. First of all, please don't pay attention to the duck. I know it's tempting and colorful. It belongs to my daughter. If I remove it someone else, she'll be throwing a tantrum. I definitely don't want that. And trust me, it's not easy to be a father. Okay, now let's move on to the question number 1. Why is her window white, mother? The curtain flapping free. What does the line mean? Here, the question asking the literal meaning of the line. And in the previous video, if you remember correctly, I have already discussed that this line shows that Lulu ran away from the home through her bedroom's window. Now, that's the literal meaning that we going to write as the answer. Lulu ran away from home through the window. If you can write this, then you got it right. If you come up with any other answer which slightly differs from the actual answer, then most probably your answer is wrong. Now let's move on to the question number 2. In stanza 1, which line shows that Lulu is a young or teenage girl? Normally, they will manipulate between these two words. Some question based will come as in stanza 1, which line shows that Lulu is a young girl, or in stanza 1, which line shows that Lulu is a teenage girl. Either way, it's the same. So remember, they are asking based on stanza 1 and they are asking about line 3. If you refer to the poem, you can find the answer in line 3, stanza 1, which is, there's nothing in her bed but an old rag doll. The word old rag doll shows that Lulu is a young or teenage girl. If you can write this as your answer, then you got the right answer. Now, let's move on to the third question. Based on stanza 4, whose voices do you think the persona heard? Okay, if you remember correctly, this is the stanza where the persona's mother claims that it was all just a gust of rain. Okay, so now for this question, you have two possible answers. Since they are asking whose voices do you think the persona heard, most probably it is the voices of persona's father and mother. Or you can also write it is the voices of Lulu and her friend, assuming Lulu ran away from home with the help of her friend. But to be on the safe side, we normally resort to writing persona's father and mother. Okay? Now let's move on to the next question. What do you think was written in the note crumpled by the persona's mother? Here they are talking about the note which left by Lulu. So normally when a person is running away from home, they will left a note to give the reasons or maybe to apologize for their action. So most probably what the content of the note is, reasons for Lulu running away from home. And some of the students, they have different idea. They will answer that Lulu apologized for her behavior or for her action. Actually, that answer also acceptable. Okay, students, since we don't have a lot of time, I cannot discuss a lot of examples for you. Let us stop with the question from here. Now let's move on to the examples of the HOTS question. As you can see, here I have given you two HOTS questions. Number 1, Lulu has left the house. Give 2 reasons why do you think Lulu decided to do so. Why do some teenagers run away from home? Give 2 reasons. If you look carefully, both questions are actually the same. The only difference is here they are asking reasons why Lulu ran away. Here they are asking reasons why teenagers run away from home. Whether it's Lulu or teenagers, we are going to use the same answer for both questions. Now, let us think. Why normally people run away from home? Most probably it's because of the arguments. Arguments with whom? Most of the time with the parents. Because that's the problem with teenagers. They always have arguments with the parents, and the only solution that they could think of is running away from home. That is reason number one. What are the reason number two? Reason number two is most probably because of bad peer influence. The word peer refers to friend. So when we have a bad influence from a bad friend, so that we tend to take a hasty decision such as running away from home. Now let's look at HOTS question number 3. In stanza 2, Lulu took the money box with her. Why did she do so? So this question is asking us to give a justification for her behavior. What she did, she took the money box. What for? Why we need money? That's a really simple answer for that. To cover her expenses. That is the main reason why she took her money box. Because if this is not the reason, then why else she need the money box for? And maybe some of the students you can answer by saying that she planning to go very far, so she need money for her travel. Actually, that can be accepted as well, because travel also another part of expenses. Okay, and the last question for today is in stanza 3, mother crumpled the note and threw it into the fire. Give reasons for her action. Actually, I am very sure you have come across this question at least once in your practice. Normally, the students will answer because she don't want, or the mother don't want the persona to know. Actually, that answer is not wrong but incomplete, because here they are focusing about two actions. One, why she crumpled the note. Number two, why she threw it into the fire. The answer not doesn't want the persona to know, only answers the second action. What about the first action? Why she crumpled the note in the first place? If she don't want the persona to know, she can just throw it into the fire without crumpling it. But she crumpled and then threw it into the fire. So we need two reasons. Number one, why she crumpled? Maybe because she was angry. She was sad. She was devastated because her daughter ran away from home. So, because she was angry. And now we are going to answer the second action. Threw it into the fire. Why? Because she doesn't want the persona to know. So, as I said, two actions we need to answer. So, the mother crumpled the note because she was very angry, and she threw it into the fire because she doesn't want the persona to know what had happened. Besides these four HOTS questions, there are a lot more, but as I said earlier, we don't have a lot of time to cover all the HOTS questions, So hopefully, through this video, I have given you an enlightenment on how to answer HOTS question and some practices based on the poem What Has Happened to Lulu. Maybe in the future, I will try to cover more questions and more HOTS questions based on the poem. And till then, Selamat Hari Raya and take care of yourself. Stay safe, and it's me signing off from you, Mr. Puva.